Welcome back, friends, and MLM leaders, if you are still not succeed in any MLM plan. So this video only for you, so wait and watch till the end. If you are wish to earn more money, with just little investment, so finally your wish would become true. Because a great and unique plan come to your door, just $1 can change your life. Now time to introduce $1 Startup. Our mission and vision, only is to make every normal and MLM leaders successful, with little investment, and they fulfilled their dreams as possible. Joining amount of company only $1, in which you got two type of income, single line income and level income. So how will you get this income? Let's see. First we talk about single line income. In level 1, when 10 members come in your downline, then you have to do 1 new direct sponsor from your side, then your income will $0.10 per day, up to $1. In level 2, when 25 members come in your downline, then you have to do 2 new direct sponsor from your side, then your income will be $0.10 per day, up to $2. In level 3, when 50 members come in your downline, then you have to do 3 new direct sponsor from your side, then your income will be $0.13 per day, up to $4. As you enter to new level, your past level income will stop, and new level income will start, which is daily basis earning. Total level of number is 17. To complete this level, you have to sponsor new 165 members from your side. Now we move toward level income. In level 1, you get 10%. In level 2, you get 5%. In level 3, you get 4%. In level 4, you get 3%. In level 5, you get 2%. In level 6, you get 1%. As like this, you earn unlimited level income by sponsoring people in your team directly. There are some terms and conditions of company, you have to attention on that. Closing daily, withdrawal on every Sunday, income of every level will be paid in daily basis. Only one level income will be paid at a time. Minimum withdrawal is $5 and its multiple, admin and transactions charges is 10%. So friends, don't miss this opportunity, and make your dreams come true. For more info visit at www.1dollarstartup.online. Get in touch with that, who send you this video. Thank you.